Hi everyone, I'm Heather from Sunshine Family Time, and today I am at Shades of Green in the Exchange. So I'm just going to show you what they have in store today. Today is Saturday, June the 18th. They have some baby Mandalorian stuff, and my daughter would love this. She loves everything Mandalorian, everything Baby Yoda. What is this? Some kind of like, I don't know. I think it fits back in the pouch. And then it's like a little ball. I think that's what it is. So, they have some plushies, ears, t-shirts. I think we have this one's kind of cute with a little pug on it. I do like that stitch. It's like a little cover up or a little dress. Adorable. Hats.
Yeah, he said it's much better. He said it did, but I said I just thought my back was downstairs. Pero una que dice que me
2022. Bathing suits. Yeah. Oh, look, Florida. This is cute. Be cute to play foot golf and matching shorts. Raincoats, flip-flops. They do have swimming trunks, t-shirts. Hats. Suitcases. They have pillows, neck pillows. They have water bottles. I have Shades of Green blankets down here. His and hers cups. I think this is super adorable, this little Turvis here. I'm not sure if it's actually a Turvis brand, but cute all the same. And I love these little Mickey and Minnie bowls and cups. Yeah, you can get them matching cups and plates. Fun. Oh my goodness, look at that. Cute, cute, cute. And they have sunglasses here if you forgot some. They have regular ponchos that are $4.99. And on the back, they do have Disney themed ones. Mickey, Minnie, princesses, all that. For way cheaper than you would find in the parks. They have snacks. All kinds of drinks. They have water and juice and everything else. Chips. Hi everyone, Shades of Green Exchange has all kinds of things. It's small, but you can get some things for your trip if you forgot something. It has Tylenol, some medicines like that. It has drinks that you can think of, milk, water, juice, pop, everything. And it also has some small snacks, chips, some candy, Oreos, cookies, and crackers, and things like that there, as well as some souvenirs that would be cheaper than you would buy inside the Disney parks. You know, shirts or bathing suits, even flip-flops, and ponchos. Definitely ponchos are cheaper than the ones that you would buy in the park. So this is just a very quick overview of what the Exchange has right now in June 2022. You can check on my channel for other videos on Shades of Green, like a room tour and one time that we were swimming in the pools. Shades of Green is a great military Disney hotel. and I highly recommend it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about Shades of Green or something else that you would like to see at that resort. Thank you so much for watching. And now, it's your family time. Bye.